Hey, what's up? This is Xavier Lamarck, aka Call Me Zay. What I'm gonna do is shoot this poem called Dope Love, and go like this: drug dealing, but it's not heroin, X, or coke. See, what I slang is the real deal, with no smiles, no jokes. This right here is potent and pure. It's the best drug around. One hit, word of mouth, and it's known all over town. See, customers line up to get that dose. So strong it make them feel time froze, but it ain't no blue magic. But you would think it was black, the way it make them feel like they got wings on their back. But see, I'm more of a supplier because it's hard to find. Usually I'm sending out packs of a dozen at a time with a particular technique so that I pull nines and dimes. But still, my shit is legal, so fuck the one times. Now I see most of y'all look confused like, this young nigga talking about. Maybe that's the reason why your girl lost and she can be found in my house. But it ain't my fault. I warned her before she tried it. I said, girl, this ain't no car. You can't just test drive it. She replied, nigga, I'm grown. I can handle my own, so give me all you got. Let me see what you on. So I gave her a light. She inhaled the first hit. Now she lost in space, off on a mental trip. What you gave her was, quote, remedial retarded. Now I guess you call that slow. What I had gave her a rush. That's why she's standing at my door. And now she can't get enough and keep coming back for more. In the streets, presented like a wife, but in my bed, she a hoe. Now, eventually, she overdosed on my drug, but she came back to the light. And what you've experienced right here is dope love. And she my fiend for life.